Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money online by creating and selling NFTs. First off, let's break down what exactly NFTs are. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token, which essentially means that each NFT is unique and cannot be replicated. NFTs are digital assets that can represent ownership or proof of authenticity for a certain piece of digital content, such as artwork, music, or videos. Here are 15 steps for beginners to create and sell NFTs in 2024. 1. Do your research. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the NFT market and understand how it works. 2. Create digital content. Whether it's artwork, music, videos, or any other digital asset, make sure it's unique and of high quality. 3. Choose a blockchain platform. Decide which blockchain platform you want to use to create and sell your NFTs, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. 4. Set up a digital wallet. You'll need a digital wallet to store and manage your NFTs. Make sure to choose a secure wallet. 5. Mint your NFTs. Minting an NFT essentially means creating a digital certificate of ownership for your digital content. This process typically involves uploading your digital content to a marketplace and paying a fee. 6. Set a price. Determine how much you want to sell your NFT for. Consider factors such as the demand for your content and the current market trends. 7. List your NFTs on a marketplace. There are various NFT marketplaces where you can list your NFTs for sale, such as OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. 8. Promote your NFTs. Use social media and other marketing channels to promote your NFTs and attract potential buyers. 9. Engage with your audience. Interact with your followers and respond to any questions or inquiries about your NFTs. 10. Build your brand. Establish a strong brand identity for your NFTs to stand out in the competitive marketplace. 11. Collaborate with other creators. Consider collaborating with other creators to create unique and valuable NFTs. 12. Attend NFT events and conferences. Stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the NFT space by attending industry events and conferences. 13. Stay informed. Keep yourself informed about any changes or updates in the NFT market to adapt your strategies accordingly. 14. Monitor your sales and performance. Keep track of your sales and performance metrics to understand what's working and what's not. 15. Keep creating and innovating. Continuously create and innovate to stay relevant and attract new buyers to your NFTs. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide for beginners on how to create and sell NFTs in 2024. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments